All
right. It depends on how often you treat it.
Yep. 3409 Magnolia Boulevard still here. We're pushed all the way up from our excavated trench out in the road here up into the cast iron pipe that comes off of kind of the front, just to the right of the front door in the front patio area. There's a set of cleanouts. There's a cleanout right there and a little patch of concrete that's been replaced. I think they dug this up and replaced it at some point. It's PVC here. Soon, right there, we transition back into the old concrete. I'm going to zero out our footage and get an accurate count on the length of this 4-inch diameter concrete that's running underground on property. Tie in there. So we've got about 58 feet of 6-inch concrete pipe from trench to trench. We have about 30 feet of, or I'll have to rewatch that section, but I think it was 27, 28, 30 feet of 4-inch diameter pipe between the trench and the clean out near the front door of the home. Pulling up out of here. I'm going to end the video there.